Good evening and welcome to Thai PBS World. Again tonight, we keep you updated on the latest on the coronavirus outbreak in the Chinese city of Wuhan, which has already sparked global alarm. The death toll from the deadly virus today continues to rise. In China, the death toll has risen to 170, with over 7,700 confirmed cases. And Thailand is still waiting for the green light from Chinese authorities to evacuate Thai citizens stranded in Wuhan, the epicenter of the deadly outbreak. The National Health Commission of China reported today that the total number of confirmed deaths from the coronavirus outbreak in the country has risen to 170 by the end of Wednesday. Equally alarming is that there are more than 1,700 of new infection cases, bringing the total of confirmed cases to 7,711. And there shouldn't be a surprise if both the death toll and the number of new cases will go up further.
The continued increase in cases and
as the situation continues to worsen, the World Health Organization is calling an emergency meeting in Geneva to decide whether the rapid spread of the virus now constitutes a global emergency. Meanwhile, several countries have already brought home their citizens from Wuhan, including the US, Japan, and Singapore. And if everything goes according to plans, the Thai government should be able to send a commercial plane to evacuate Thai citizens still stranded in Wuhan by next Tuesday. There are at least 64 Thais living there, and many have appealed for help from the government to bring them back. And a day after visiting Suvarnabhumi International Airport, Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha today is down with fever and has to cancel all engagements. Sources in the government house reported that the Prime Minister was exhausted and had high fever because of hard work with little rest. They, however, denied that his conditions were a result of his visit to Suvarnabhumi Airport on Wednesday to observe screening of arriving passengers. They said the Prime Minister had been feeling unwell a few days before. Prayut, who is also Defense Minister, cancelled all his appointments today, including a meeting of the Defense Council. He is expected to return to work on Friday. Now let's take a look at how some of our ASEAN neighbors are coping with a deadly virus outbreak. In Malaysia, 8 cases of infections have so far been officially identified. All of them are Chinese. On Monday, 14 people from the Chinese city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak, were turned away at Kuala Lumpur International Airport of Malaysia. Malaysian Home Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin said today that the passengers were barred from entering the country after the immigration department learned that they were from Wuhan. He explained that the action taken was in line with strict guidelines given out to frontliners at ports of entry in Malaysia to ensure they perform their duties without compromising their health. Meanwhile, the Singaporean government announced that all 1.3 million households in Singapore will be given 4 surgical masks each. About 5.2 million masks will be given out and will be made available starting this Saturday. Singaporean authorities reported that there are currently 10 confirmed cases of the Wuhan virus in Singapore. All are tourists from Hubei province. The continuing spread of the deadly virus has also fueled a spread of fake news. Many Thais were taken aback yesterday by a television news report that 5 million residents of Wuhan had left the city for the Chinese New Year's holiday before the virus outbreak, and most were heading to Thailand. The news report quickly went viral, causing a widespread alarm. The president of the Thai Journalists Association, Mongkol Bangprapha, today had to step in to help clarify the report. He quoted China Media Group as saying that the report was a misinterpretation of an interview given by the mayor of Wuhan. According to China Media Group, as relayed by Mongkol, who is also a senior journalist, The Wuhan mayor did not mention even once about Wuhan residents traveling overseas. He reportedly was only talking about the estimated 60% of the population of the city returning to their hometowns in Hubei province, of which Wuhan is capital. A China media group also reported that the number of people leaving Wuhan, an aviation hub for central China, between December last year and January 22nd this year, and heading to Thailand were only slightly over 11,000. The president of the Thai Journalists Association also appealed to the Thai media to be careful about facts in reporting about the coronavirus outbreak. His appeal, of course, is reasonable, given the fact that there has been so much fake news about the deadly virus over the past 2 weeks. And that's all for Thai PBS World tonight. Thank you for watching.